In this example, I want to show you how to activate and deactivate error messages that pop up in the TwinCAT error list as soon as, for example, a measurement range is exceeded or a range error is present due to overload on a measurement channel. For this, I have set up an ELM terminal to a measurement range of 1.25 volts. And I'm now putting in an external sinus signal into this terminal with an amplitude of 1 volts, plus minus. So I start this TwinCAT scope view, and we will see a plus minus 1 volts signal. Now I can shift this with an offset of the function generator. See stepwise it's going up and going down. And I've created two markers here at 1.25 volts. This is an overrange, and 107% of the measurement range is related to a so-called range error. And as soon as one of these bits get to high, we will see an error in the error list in TwinCAT. So I now will see that exceeding here, and also if I have the range error, I will have 2 bits, and the range error bits are sent as an emergency to the TwinCAT error list. And I want to get rid of these errors. You see that it's counting. So if you have lots of exceedances, for example, high vibration levels during startups, or if you have a quarter bridge sensor, a strain gauge with a problematic soldering, then you get lots of errors, and you can deactivate this on the terminal. Therefore, we go to the COE of this terminal and take a look on the diagnosis history. There we will find a so-called flags element, and this element, now it's running up, so it's counting errors, and as soon as we deactivate this, setting this to 0, the error bits are still present, but no more errors are added to the error list. So when, for example, this critical situation is no longer present, you can reactivate this in the COE command, setting this to 1, and the errors will count as expected. All the terminals, ELM terminals, have a startup command. So they are initially, when you add this to a TwinCAT project, you will have this enabled by default. So setting this to 0, or with setting this to 0, you can eliminate this error logging here, automatic error logging. But yeah, the best thing is just to leave it as it is and to control this in the COE with setting the flags to 0 or 1, whether you need an error list or not.